Today I'm working on this Husqvarna lawnmower. I got it from a friend of mine. He said the pull cord needed to be replaced and he gave me a new one with it. So I know there's no gas in it right now. The oil looks fine. The handle's a little rigged up here, but with some electrical tape, I'll probably just remove this. Yeah, so we'll see what else it needs after that. After we put gas in it, new pull cord, see if it starts. If not, might have to do a carburetor cleaning, but we'll see. But for this, it's just 3 10mm nuts I gotta remove, and that comes right off. Alright, the old one's off. Clean that up a little bit. Maybe, yeah, clean it up a little bit. I'll be alright. Alright, put the new one on. Whoa! Alright, and then run this cord through the loop-de-doo. Oh boy. Man, there's like Alright, I'm going to put some gas in it real quick and give it a couple pulls, see if we can get it to fire. Alright, looks like the fuel's on. It's in line with the tubes, should be on. What do we got? Choke is this way, huh? Okay, so there's choke. There's off choke. So I'll put the choke on. Let's see if we can fire it up. Too easy. Let's do that one more time. Back it up so you guys can see it. I guess you heard it. All right. Well, guess there's nothing more to do other than to clean it up a little more. All right, here it is all cleaned up. And I removed the foam off the handles. That should be it.